Alright, welcome back to Terrible at Fishing, everybody. This is take 2. I had done this and posted it. Even put it on my Facebook page and then found out there was no audio. So I was doing a little troubleshooting, and what is the first point of troubleshooting? To make sure it's plugged in. The microphone had come just a little out and it wasn't plugged in, so there was no sound. I had taken the box, this month's Dark Horse tackle box, and put it all away. So I'm bringing it all back just for you guys. So it is the January All-Star box. So what is an All-Star box? So we have 2 months of All-Star, which is December and January. The All-Star box are the best and most effective lures used last year in all the boxes. And so the owners of Dark Horse Tackle were really nice, and Jason and Josh, and they put together 2 extremely good boxes. So these are fishermen's boxes. These are boxes that will work. They're not just a good value. This is one of the best value boxes that we've had. But this is a box that will work when you go fishing, especially in this cold water time of year. So I kind of took it all out of packages. So the first one is Robusto Looters. Now Robusto, they gave us a sticker too, by the way. Very cool. Don't get too many stickers. I got a sticker. I love stickers. These are, I have great appreciation for Robusto now. They're hand-painted custom lures. You know, guys all know that I've started hand-painting lures. And so every lure is unique. I mean, they're similar, very similar, but they're very unique. So when I look at Robusto lures, I say, okay, what did he do it? How did he do it? So he's got, we do have a medium diving crank on this one. And a fantastic rattle to it. It's a shad, so sort of a threadfin shad. We've got the false eye spot on it. It goes from white and a little bit of yellow, graduating up into a green onto a black onto this. He uses high quality hooks, which I think is like VMC KVD hooks, I think. I'm not sure the type of hook that he uses, but this is a beautiful lure. He did a fantastic job, you know, and know that this was hand done by somebody. All right, fantastic, it really is. All right, so another one, I'm going to save one for towards the end. This is not on the list, but we got bobber stoppers. You guys know I love bobber stoppers. I use them all the time. There's 24 of these in here, so we get bobber stoppers. It's actually not on the list. I was like, let me just throw it in there. So our next one, I got to find the package on it. Okay, is a flippin' jig. This is there's no way that's a 1/4 ounce. Did I grab the wrong one? I think I did. Here it is. Yeah, this is a 1/4 ounce. I grabbed the wrong one. This is a Thrash Co. 1/4 ounce green pumpkin. Yeah, this is the one. So, really good weed guard on it. You could tell that it too is hand done. Got a little bit of sniffles. I spent 3 days on a frozen lake this week. So, ice fishing. It's ice fishing season here. Very exciting. I've caught almost 100 fish this week. So, very close. Caught a little over 30 yesterday, 65 Wednesday, 1 on Monday. So I got better. But this is it. This is a beautiful, beautiful. The hook is very sharp. Really sharp. You're only as good as the hook. Okay. Really sharp. Okay. Now I'm going to show you something that I've never owned. I've wanted to buy some lately. And these are called, by Z, Super Swings. This is a 1/2 ounce with a 5/0 hook. And I've been wanting to get these. They really have. And it is, look at that. See? This swings. That's your 1/2 ounce, sort of a football weight with a flat end. So I assume it'll just go down, rest on the bottom. And then what ends up happening is that you put, I could put a worm or something like that on there, or a craw, and it'll just do this. Yeah, we got 2 of these. 2 of these in this bag. I mean, come on. This thing, come springtime, I'm going to just pop this baby down in front of a bed, and it's just going to do this. That's what it's going to do. And a big fat mama, I'm going to do that. And that's what she going to do, and I'm going to hook her. Oh, that's a good one. I really have been wanting those things, and those are great. Those are great. Okay, so we got, which by the way, these next ones, the retail price on them is fantastic. So, I really want you to check out all these companies from Thrashco, Robusto, Z, but Bitters, this company, okay, that's their price. You see their price? $3.49 for one, $6 for two. All right, you get 8 count in a package. This is a Senko, and it's called the Red Bug. Now, when I first looked down here, it looks blue. When I hold it up, it's red with blue flecks. That, and look at that. I mean, this is a really good formula for the plastic. It's strong. It's got good movement on it. Even if I grab most of it, you can see it's still got good movement on it. That is a very good formulation for the plastic. Alright, so that's called the Red Bug. So it's bitterbaitandtackle.com. Type that in. I mean, 2 of those bags for $6? Come on. Give these guys some love. These are just guys doing what they love in their garage. Alright? Alright. So we got a creature bait too. It's called this blueberry bluetail. Which, it's very blue. So you get 5 in this package. And that is the blueberry bluetail. So let's take a look. I mean, you've got it's blue with flake in it. The flake is very well distributed. It's not like clumped up in one area. It's got good, this right here. If we put this on my little swing jig thingy. So if we do that, so what's going to happen is that, see, that tail is just going to go nuts on this thing as this thing swings back and forth. I mean, this, wow. Just wow again. I mean, and I have great appreciation for the artistic skill set of custom lure painters now, because this, oh man, that is a really fine looking lure. So And this is all, this jig, weedless jig. Okay, normally you have a rubber band holding this stuff on. But I want you guys to notice something. Focus. Come on, baby, focus on it. Okay, that's a copper band on it. So, I mean, this jig right here is not, the skirt is not held on with a rubber band, okay? Which happens a lot. It just does. I mean, if I go over there to my jigs, let me see if I can find one. Yep. So here's a white one. No, that's metal. That's metal. Yeah, these. Okay, that's metal too. All right, I can't find one with a rubber band, but a lot of them are held on with rubber bands. There's one up there, but this is a metal ring on it, and again, really shows you. Man, that's great. That really is great. So we have another. I'd show you the box, but you can't see it on green screen. So we have another fisherman's box. That's what, yes, last month, well, that's what it always is, but this is the best of the best. So let's look at how much all this cost. So now a Weekend Warrior box is $25. You use this code right down here, Rufino Pro 10. Okay, you get 10% off on your first month's box. So let's look at how much these things cost. So just the Robusto bait, I mean, this is $14, but it's worth a lot more if you ask me. I accidentally hit wow, didn't I? So that's $14. $12 for the bitter switchblade, as well as the bitter salt sling. So those are $12 each. That's $24 on top of 14. That's already $38. All right, so those three are $38. The Thrash Co. jig, this one right here, which you know is going to work. This green pumpkin one, it's $9. So what are we up? What did I just say? 24, 38. We're up to $43. All right. So the super swings, I can't believe these are only $7.99 for two of them. So they're $8. My brain is not working this early in the morning, so 24, 30, 38, 43 plus 8 is 51. $51. And let's just give these a couple bucks. Okay, $53. Bam. Give or take. Plus you pay for shippings. I mean, that's... Well, that's pretty good, guys. Well, that don't make sense. So, that's $6. I think they did a typo in here. So they did $6. 20, 29, 37, 39. So $39. Actually, it's $39. In front of me, and you got it for $25. It's a no-brainer. Plus, this is an all-star box. And so these are the ones that worked the most last year. To be honest, I love Robusto. I have caught a lot of stuff on Robusto baits. But this little guy right here, I mean, come on. You're telling me that you don't want this. All right? This is a fantastic, what's called a swing jig. And I am going to use this. I'll probably lose it real quick. That's why they give you two. This right here is going to be a beast. As soon as I have unhard water. This is going to be a beast. And you get a sticker, which is really nice of Robusto to give us a sticker. So I am I'm pretty stoked about this box. This is a fantastic box. Again, Ruffino Pro 10 for your 10% off your first month. Right down here. Here it comes. Here it comes. Here it comes. There it is. There it is. There's my name with the word Pro and the number 10. Ruffino Pro 10. Use that. Have fun, guys, because you know where I'll be, right? You got it. You know, I'll be posting live cams out on the lake Monday, Wednesday, Fridays. And I want you guys to join me on the live cam. You know, and try to interact with me, even though I'll be focusing a lot. So, but I'll look over and try to get you guys. Oh, I want to thank you guys. I want you to go to No Redemption Outdoors. He's one of my partners on the internet, YouTube buddy. Also, go to Double T Texas Fishing. He also did an unboxing of my first shipment of my lures, so please go to him and check him out. Fishing the Southeast, that's Brandon. He's got his own line of soft baits. Nice young man. He's a teenager. But Tony over at No Redemption Outdoors, he just bought himself new mics, and so he noticed that when I'm on remote, people can barely hear me. So he sent me one of his old mics. I mean, Tony's a class act. Every Saturday he gives away stuff. Every Saturday. So go to his, enter his drawing for a bait every Saturday. I mean, you got actually 104 chances of winning because he gives 2 prizes away every Saturday in a year. So, I mean, I want you guys to check him out. I want you to check everybody out. But please, No Redemption Outdoors, Double T Texas Fishing, and Fishing the Southeast. These are 3 of my buddies here on the internet. One of my favorite I have a lot of UK people, and there is so many. If I could put them all, I really should start putting them all in my links down below. But Rich and Leo Angling, it's a great guy with his son, little guy, Rich and Leo, and they support me all the time. And all my UK buddies, I want to say thank you. I mean, you guys have been great mates, and for those that have been supporting me, I have yet to send anything over to the UK besides a sticker. But for those I have addresses for, you'll be getting something in the mail pretty soon. So I want to thank all of them, because I really do value the support. And if you interact with me, you do things like that, you may just find something in your mailbox one day. So I want to thank you guys. Please hit like, please hit subscribe, and I really want to show you guys how much I appreciate you. If it's just a shout out, but I'd love to send everybody something. But 550 subscribers, that would get expensive. But I do have a nice strong core, and I want to thank you guys. So thank you, and I will see you guys on the water.